Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top workout and nutrition secrets for a longer, healthier life. This video will share valuable insights on optimizing your fitness and dietary habits to enhance your overall well-being and longevity. Importance of workout and nutrition. It's no secret that maintaining a healthy lifestyle through proper workout routines and nutritious eating habits is crucial for our overall health. Regular exercise helps us stay physically fit and plays a significant role in boosting our mental well-being. Similarly, a well-balanced diet gives our bodies the essential nutrients to function optimally and prevent various diseases. Focusing on both workout and nutrition can significantly improve our quality of life and increase our lifespan. Setting the tone. Throughout this video, we provide practical tips and strategies that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. We want to empower you to take charge of your health and make informed choices that will benefit you in the long run. So prepare to be inspired, motivated, and educated on transforming your health and well-being through simple yet effective lifestyle changes. Benefits for viewers. By the end of this video, you can expect to gain valuable insights into the best workout routines and nutrition practices that can help you lead a longer, healthier life. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, increase your energy levels, or improve your overall well-being, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. So grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and dive into the top workout and nutrition secrets for a longer, healthier life. Importance of exercise. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, offering many benefits beyond physical fitness. By engaging in consistent physical activity, you can significantly improve your cardiovascular health, boost your metabolism, and enhance your mental well-being. Exercise improves cardiovascular health. One key benefit of regular exercise is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Running, cycling, or swimming helps strengthen the heart muscle, improve blood circulation, and lower blood pressure. Incorporating aerobic exercises into your routine can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions, ultimately leading to a longer and healthier life. Boosts metabolism and enhances mental well-being. Besides its cardiovascular benefits, exercise is crucial in boosting metabolism and promoting overall well-being. Physical activity helps increase muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and aids in weight management. Moreover, exercise releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. By incorporating regular exercise into your routine, you can experience improved mood, enhanced cognitive function, and greater overall well-being. Effective workout routines for longevity. When it comes to effective workout routines, a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises is vital. Activities like brisk walking, weightlifting, yoga, and Pilates can help improve your overall fitness levels and contribute to a longer, healthier life. By varying your workouts and challenging your body in different ways, you can maximize the benefits of exercise and enhance your longevity. Incorporating exercise into busy schedules. We understand that maintaining a busy schedule can make it challenging to prioritize exercise. However, with some strategic planning and time management, it's possible to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Whether taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a brisk walk during your lunch break, or scheduling short workout sessions throughout the week, finding small pockets of time for exercise can have significant long-term health benefits. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to make exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine for improved health and longevity. Nutrition essentials. A balanced and nutritious diet is fundamental to achieving a longer, healthier life. Understanding the essential components of nutrition and making informed food choices can optimize your overall well-being and enhance your longevity. Importance of macronutrients, micronutrients, and hydration. Macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are the building blocks of a healthy diet, providing the energy and nutrients needed for bodily functions. Balancing these macronutrients into your meals supports muscle growth, maintains energy levels, and regulates metabolism. Additionally, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals support various bodily functions including immune health, bone strength, and cognitive function. Hydration is equally important, as water helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, and flush out toxins. By prioritizing a diet rich in macronutrients and micronutrients, and staying adequately hydrated, you can support your overall well-being and longevity. Superfoods and their health benefits. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that offer a wide range of health benefits and can contribute to longevity. Examples of superfoods include berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and whole grains. These foods contain antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that can help reduce inflammation, boost immunity, support heart health, and improve cognitive function. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can enhance your overall health and well-being, promoting a longer and healthier life. Practical tips for meal planning and mindful eating. Meal planning is crucial for maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. By preparing meals in advance, you can ensure you have healthy options and avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Additionally, practicing portion control and mindful eating can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting better digestion. Remember to savor each bite, chew slowly, and heed your body's signals to nourish yourself adequately. By adopting these practical tips for meal planning, portion control, and mindful eating habits, you can establish a sustainable approach to nutrition that supports your long-term health and longevity. Optimal hydration. Proper hydration is crucial to overall health and longevity, ensuring your body functions optimally. By understanding the importance of staying hydrated and implementing strategies to maintain adequate water intake, you can enhance your metabolism, digestion, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Benefits of staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, as water is involved in various metabolic processes that help convert food into energy. Adequate hydration also supports proper digestion by aiding in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. Furthermore, staying hydrated is vital for cognitive function, as dehydration can decrease focus, concentration, and mental performance. By prioritizing proper hydration, you can support your body's metabolic processes, digestive functions, and cognitive abilities, ultimately promoting longevity and overall health. Importance of water intake. Water intake is especially crucial during workouts, as physical activity increases the body's need for hydration to regulate temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients to cells. Staying hydrated before, during, and after exercise is essential to maintain performance, prevent dehydration, and support recovery. Additionally, staying hydrated throughout the day is critical for overall health, as water helps flush out toxins, regulate body temperature, and support various bodily functions. By consciously drinking an adequate amount of water consistently, you can support your body's hydration needs and promote optimal health and longevity. Creative ways to increase water consumption. Consider incorporating creative strategies into your daily routine to increase water consumption and maintain hydration levels. Carry a reusable water bottle wherever you go to make staying hydrated throughout the day easier. Set reminders on your phone or use hydration tracking apps to monitor your water intake and ensure you meet your daily hydration goals. Infuse water with fruits, herbs, or vegetables to add flavor and make hydration more enjoyable. Impact of stress, sleep, and mindfulness on wellness. Stress, sleep, and mindfulness are key factors that influence our mental and physical health. Chronic stress can harm the body, leading to increased inflammation, weakened immune function, and heightened risk of various health conditions. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being, as it allows the body to repair and regenerate, supports cognitive function, and helps regulate mood. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and enhance mental clarity. Establishing a consistent sleep routine, creating a calming bedtime environment, and practicing relaxation techniques before bed can help improve sleep quality. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, such as mindful breathing, meditation, or yoga, can help cultivate a sense of calm, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can better manage stress, improve sleep patterns, and foster a greater sense of mindfulness in your daily life. A positive mindset can also enhance resilience, improve relationships, and foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Combining exercise, nutrition, hydration, and mental well-being can create a solid foundation for a healthier and more fulfilling life. First and foremost, we emphasize the importance of regular exercise in improving cardiovascular health, boosting metabolism, and enhancing mental well-being. Incorporating effective workout routines into your schedule can profoundly impact your longevity and overall health. Additionally, we explored the essential components of a balanced and nutritious diet, including macronutrients, micronutrients, and hydration. Managing stress, improving sleep quality, and practicing mindfulness are crucial aspects of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and fostering longevity. Now it's time for you to take action and implement the tips and strategies shared in this video. Start incorporating exercise, nutritious foods, adequate hydration, and mindfulness practices into your daily routine to support overall health and longevity. Remember, small changes can significantly improve your well-being over time. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness inspiration. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you on your wellness journey.